Hello, this is our explosion-proof telephone. You can see the detail, the hand side with the stainless steel tube. Also the keypad. This is the industrial grade keypad. For key, this is the fast dial number, and also we have a stainless steel one, so it's optional. Also the enclosure is aluminum alloy. We have IP model and analog model. So you can say this one is analog model, but IP model will have a network connector. This is the explosion on speaker, like amplifier to drive this speaker. So you can connect together to do the broadcasting.